Alright, so I am back with another interesting tutorial. So this time I bought the another tool, which is the custom CSS button tool. Okay, so last time we did a tutorial on the color palette generator tool. So this is also a video tutorial on the tool website. So right now let me introduce our tool. So basically our tool is the custom CSS button generator. Okay, so using this tool we can design our own customized CSS buttons and we can export them into our website development project. Okay, right, you can see this is the interface of our tool and which is the main part of our website. So right now it's a very simple. You will see here some tabs like basic, border, shadow, hover effects, icon, etc. Okay, from here this is the let me first introduce some features of this tool. So this is on the left hand side you will see a preview, and just below you will see the generated CSS. This is the CSS that we have put, or you can say we customized our this button. Okay, and we got this CSS generated, so you can copy the CSS and put inside your project. So right now this is the preview button. So basically it's a dynamic preview button. Let me show you the example. Like here I will change its name to something like this, and you will see it's changing dynamically. Okay, and also if I change the font size, it will increase the font size and will decrease the font size, vice versa. Okay, in the same way we have number of options over like text color. Okay, the gradient background. If you enable this gradient, it will open the gradient options like left to right, right to left, top to bottom, etc. Okay, and you can select the first color like this, the second color if you want to choose like this. Okay, and that's it. And if you don't want to add this gradient background, just disable this, or you can uncheck this option. Okay, so our button will reset. And then you can set the font family like Arial, Corel, Giorgio, etc. Okay, you can add as well as much as on this tool. And the best part that we can save the style. Okay, and also we can just export the CSS. Let me show you exporting it. So when you click, it will open, it will directly save inside the .css file. Okay, so that's a good part of this tool. And also you can copy this CSS, like I just copied it. You will see a dialog which is showing CSS copied to clipboard. Okay, and you can paste anywhere inside your project. That's it. Now we'll move to the next step, which is the border. So it's a border right now set to 2 and the color is light blue, and if I set it to 0, so border will remove. Okay, this is the border size. Also you can say dash, dotted. Also you can say the border radius to like this. Now we'll move to the shadow. You can give a shadow to X, to Y, and also you can set the shadow color and just give some blur effect. Okay, and go to the hover effects. So this is the hover effects. Let me show you how it works. So this is the by default color is blue, so I am going to make it white when I hover, and the text color will be black. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, you can see that we can also add this nice hover effects to our button. Okay, and this is the last, which is icon, and which is the most useful feature of this tool. Like if I enable this icon, so it will enable the icon on this button. Now we have to set the position where the icon to be placed. So let's select it left. I want to keep my icon to the left hand side of this text. Okay, now select icon from this list. You can extend your list if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to add this download icon, so let's click it. Now you can see that our icon is added to this button like this. Okay, also you can change the color of this icon. Okay, that's it. So this is the tool of our website. Okay, so I hope you all like this tool and the features of this tool. So basically this tool also design and build using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you want this separate file for this script, so I will put the link, download link inside the website. You can go there and just download the script. Okay, and if you want to download this whole website, then you can go to the website. So I will put its download link as well. Okay, so in this way our website is going to be designed. Okay, right now let me introduce the other designing parts. So this is the header, which is completely designed using the elementor. Okay, let's move to the downside. You will see here I have shown some features of the website like instant preview, full customers and etc, etc. Okay, and also added some FAQs to show some frequently asked questions and answers, and lastly we have our footer area like this. Okay, the another single page tool website is so this is our another single page tool website using WordPress. Okay, so this tutorial is going to be very easy. So without further delay, let's move on to our WordPress dashboard. Alright, so we are inside our WordPress dashboard. Now we'll install the basic theme. Okay, so which is the very first step. So I will search here WP Astra. Sorry, WP Ocean WP. Okay, this is our theme. Install it. Okay, after that just activate it. Now we'll install some plugins. So we only need 2 plugins over here. So first is our Elementor and the second will be Pro Elements. Okay, so click here and install it. After installing I will install this later. So first upload another plugin which is Pro Elements. Install it. Okay, now go to plugin installer and there we almost done everything. We almost install all our plugins required for this website. Now go to install plugins and there just install all our plugins. Activate, sorry. So go to activate. Okay, our plugins are activated now. Now let's create a page which is home page. Before that we will create our menu. Okay, so go to appearance, menu. We will first create our header. So name it as a main menu. Add a page which is home page. Change its template to Elementor full width and publish it. Okay, now refresh it again. Click on view all and yes, now add to menu. Okay, and the second I will add FAQ. Third I will give it as a download. Okay, that's it. Now click on save. So our menu is ready. Now we'll create our header. So go to templates and under the save templates I will create or add a new template which is our header. Here is the header and write it name as a header. Let's close this. Now add a container. Again add a container. So we need 2 columns. So select this container and again you can set your the margin or the container width from here. Okay, so keep it in the box and select it to percentage and set it to 90%. Okay, now select this and change direction to row horizontal and just duplicate the columns. Okay, so we have to give a color to this background. So this is our primary color. I will copy its hex code and go to style, and from here change the background. Okay, I will add it as a main color or give it as a 1 number. Okay, so in the first we have the text logo, okay, which is site logo. I will add here the site title. So here you will see the my logo. So I will change it from the backend. So go to tools, not settings, here writing, and you will see here. Okay, so on the general, here I will change name to button design tool. Okay, so automatically it will reflect to our elementor widget. Click on publish. I will keep it on the entire website, so save it and refresh again. Okay, now our site title has changed. Now let's style it. So go to style. First I will change the color to white. I will create a new global color which is white. Create. Now go to typography and select the font. So I will keep the font like cursive. Now this. Okay, I will keep this font. Okay, now increase the size a little bit. That's it. Select this container and just justify content to center. Okay, on the right hand side we have to set our menu. So select the widget which is menu. Now shift this content to the right hand side. So from here element, and I will change its color which is white, and I will change its and from the hover change color to white. Okay, and I will just decrease the horizontal padding. Okay, that's it. Now click on publish and you will see here some extra spacing from the top. So this is basically a top bar. Now let's remove that top bar from the customize. Okay, sometimes you will see this issue when you open the customize option and it will stuck saying it's a loading. Okay, on this loading. So there is a one solution. Just go to plugins and uninstall all the unnecessary plugin which comes with this WordPress. Okay, so I will just remove this, deactivate it, and now refresh it. Okay, so your problem is solved. It has the faulty plugin. This is Softaculous Pro. So if you have the updated version of the Softaculous, then it comes with the installation of new WordPress. Okay, so whenever you will see the screens or the pages that stucks on loading, just uninstall all the plugins and then try it. Okay, your problem will be solved. Okay, so I have to remove this top bar. So go to top bar and just enable this top bar, means disable it from here. Okay, now it's gone. Also we have to remove the bottom border which comes just below this or it comes under this border. Okay, so to remove that, so go to header, and here under the general you will see here border button, so just uncheck this. Okay, now publish, just close it. Okay, so everything is right now. This is the our header section. Okay, now let's make it responsive. Now select the tablet now, and from here this is set to, from here just this is toggle align. Okay, under this icon set to the right hand side, and also let's change the color. So this is the color. Go to style, and under this toggle button set the color to white, and background color will be none. Okay, that's it. Now go to advanced, and you will see some extra margin from the bottom, so remove it. Okay, that's it. Also you can increase the width, which is I will set it to 95% inside this tablet. Okay, now we have to just design this drop down menu. Okay, so select this and go to content, and there you will see full width. Okay, so make it yes. So right now it will just open just below this menu. Okay, so now let's design this drop down. So here is the go to style, and from your drop down, now text color will be as it is, and I will increase the padding from the left like this. Okay, so if you want to, I will also add the drop shadow. Okay, so this is the box shadow, and I will give it to 1 and give it a faint effect like this, and also increase some blur. Now we have to add this hover effect. So I want to change the color for this hover, for this background. This will be white, and this will be the main color, and active will be white, and this it will look like this. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now just select the mobile view, and from here just say the percentage, or you can reduce the width from here, also from the above column, so that we can fix the below column. Okay, near to it. That's it. So here let's remove the margin from the top as well. Here will be -9, and from the top will be 9. Okay, so now our header is responsive. Okay, now click on publish. Now let's take the preview. So our header is looking like this. Okay, now you will see here my WordPress blog, which is the title. So I just forget to hide this title from all the views, which is tablet, desktop and mobile. So go to appearance, go to customize, and we have one option which is site style and settings. Okay, not here. We have option under the pages. So there we have this page title. So I want to hide page title. Okay, now this title gone, which is the title of this website. So let's refresh it. Okay, that's it. Now okay, also we have to change the page for this home page we have to set our static page. So under this home page, select the static, and under this select the home page. Okay, that's it. Now click on publish and refresh this. Okay, now click on edit, and here click on edit with elementor. Now we'll start designing our this hero section. Okay, now add a container. Again add the container. After that let's add some minimum height. I will select here the viewport height. Okay, justify content to center. Now let's change the color for this container, which is our main color. Okay, now we have to add the title. So let me open our website. So this is the title text, some description, and these two icons. Okay, and also we have the social buttons in the mid of our header. So let's add them. I will add another content. Okay, close this and search for social. So here we have the social icons. Now just reduce the size, make it round, and also just increase the spacing. Under this official, select the custom, and the primary will be white. Okay, and the secondary will be this color. Okay, now here under the icon hover, give the animation. Like this. Okay, so we have our social menus. Now let's check this responsiveness. Okay, we'll just reduce its width and also the reduce the width from here. Okay, that's it. And from the mobile, just increase the 200, and from here or I will simply do one thing. I will just make it hide inside the mobile. Okay, so there is no need to open inside the mobile. Okay, now click on publish. So let's add this text. Now select this heading and paste here. Go to styles, make it to center, change text to white, and let's change this typography which is Roboto. I will make it black. Now let's increase this size. Okay, again go to layout, and here select 90 and set to its width to 90. Okay, Okay, I will not align this content center. I will give a padding from the top and the bottom. Okay, the next we have to add another heading, so I will copy this heading or duplicate it, and I will add this text and paste here. Go to style and change the font weight and also font weight from here. Okay, make it normal and let's check. Okay, go to style and adjust the line height. Okay, and that's it. Now I will add some padding from the top like 40 and bottom will be 40. Okay, that's it. After that I will add these two icons, but before we have to add this bottom style. So to add this bottom, select this container, go to style and you will see this shape divider. So using this tool we can add as much as of our designs from this list. Okay, so I will use cloud and arrange the height from here, and also we have to increase the height of this container. Okay, like this. Go to style and that's it. Now we have to add these two icons, so I will use, basically I used here the gallery. Thumbnail to full. Okay, columns to 2, and I will also increase the spacing. And select this and go to advanced. From there select the width to custom, set it to percentage. So I will keep the like this. Now select this container and go to layout. Under you will see here align items to center, and this container also. Okay, let's reduce the spacing. Okay, that's it. Now it looks good. Okay, almost our header section is ready. Now click on publish and refresh this, or let's open this website. So this is our website. Okay, now we will move to the our important section, which is our tool. So I will show these two ad placements, and in the mid we will have our main tool script. Okay, and I will use the same technique to add this on the server, so I will show you again in this tutorial. Okay, first of all I will add a container. Again add the container. Okay, so here go select the percentage and I will use here 100%. Select this container and I will change direction to horizontal because we want 3 columns over here. Okay, so this is first and this is second. I will reduce the width of the first and the last column. I will make it 20, and here I will also make it 20. Okay, and in the mid there will be our tool or the script. Okay, next we will add the script files. So, okay, we'll add HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So HTML will be in this block, and two files which are the CSS and JavaScript will be uploaded onto the server. Okay, so let's do that. So this is the so these are the files that we need to upload on the server. Okay, so this is the index.html file. So first of all, I will upload this index file. Okay, or I will copy the code, the HTML code inside our WordPress. Okay, so this is the code. Now I will just copy it and just paste here. So for that I will use an HTML widget. Now paste here. Okay, now you can see the front end of our website or our tool. Okay, now we have to add some styles over it. Okay, for that we need to upload the CSS file onto the server. So I will open the server admin panel. Okay, so this is the dashboard of your admin panel, cPanel. Okay, now go to the file manager and locate your domain name. So this time the domain name is button_design. Okay, I already explained about it in the previous video. So this is the domain name, and just locate it and just go inside the domain, and this is the root directory of the domain. So we have to upload that those files over here. Okay, now upload them one by one. So here you will see an upload option. Select the file. So I will upload these both files. Again upload and script. Okay, now close this window and refresh it, and you will see here script.js and style.css. Now we have to copy the link of these files. So I have one way to find this link. Just copy your URL, domain URL, and slash type here style.css. Okay, and enter. And if okay, so we have to validate our URL. Okay, for that let me see. So this time the name is styles.css, not the style. Okay, so I will open it. Okay, now we have our CSS file. So copy this and go here. So here we have to remove some parts like header. Just remove it, and just below you will see the closing of the head. Okay, okay, there is not the head, and here you will see the link for the .js. So this link is valid. The we only need to copy the link for the styles. Okay, so for that go to the header.php. So this is the theme header, and there you have to paste a styles link. Okay, so this is the style link. This is just copy this style sheet and paste there, just below this. Okay, and also we have the another style sheet URL for the CDN. From here just copy this. So you have to copy each and every links that this HTML consists. Okay, content, otherwise something will be missing. And we have to replace this style.css. So I will just copy this link, or you can simply put as it is, because we already copied our style.css inside the root directory. This will pick up from the root directory itself. Okay, so let's paste here and update the file. Once you update it, now I will just publish it, and let's take the preview of our website. Okay, so here our tool is ready. It's working fine. We have uploaded all our CSS and the JavaScript files. Okay, you see that it's working well. Okay, let me change the text so everything is working properly. Okay, that's it. I will just change its width to 15%. Okay, and this as well. We need some more room to expand this tool. Okay, now refresh it. I'm going to refresh it again to reflect the changes over here. Okay, so we have our tool. Now select this and go to style. I will give a padding to it like 20 and will change its background color. I will give it a faint gray color to its background like this. Okay, on these two columns, so we have to add the add placements over here, which is the image. For now I am going to add the image. This is the add. I will copy it and paste on either side of this, on either column. Okay, okay, that's great. Give some margin from top. Okay, that's great. Okay, so in this way you can put your HTML code inside this WordPress. So this is the very easiest method I'm going to explain you. Next we have to add some features just below it. Okay, we have to show some features, so let's do that. Let me open our previous website. So these are the 4 features we have to show just below it. Now let's design this. Add a container. Again add the container, and here I just set its width to 90%. Okay, you can confirm from here. This is the 90%. This was the 90%. Okay, so I will keep it 90% as well. And here give the padding to 15. Okay, so first we have this logo and text and the description. So I will use an widget which is icon box. Go to style, make icon position to top and the text element to left. Okay, and icon spacing reduce जाएगा, also the content spacing. Okay, here. Now select the icon. I will search here for the check. So this is the check, and change its color to primary. Also reduce the size. Okay. The first is instant review. And copy this description. Okay, now just duplicate. First select this container and make sure the width you have selected the direction to row horizontal. Now duplicate it 4 times. Okay, that's great. Okay, sorry, before duplicating we have to add the shadow just below. Okay, select this, go to border, give border to 7 and also box shadow u1 1. Now just duplicate it. The second is fully customizable styles. Add some description. Okay, so we have added these features. So let's add the margin from top, which is 50. And let's add the animations. So let me show you the animation, how it works. So this kind of animation we have to add. So it's very easy. First select this column, go to advanced, and here you will see the motion effects. So select the fade in down, okay, and make animation duration to fast, and makes the animation delay to 300. Okay, so we have to increase the each animation delay by the 300. Okay, so this time this column will have the 600 animation delay. Okay, so go to motion effects, fade in down, fast, and this time it will be you can increase it by 200 only. Okay, not 200, 200 means it will be 500. Okay, and this will be 700. Okay, 500 plus 200 is equals to 700, and this will be 900. Make it fast. Okay, now let's publish it and take the preview. Okay, so we got the effect that we wanted to put over here. Now let's move on to the next part, which is the frequently asked questions. Okay, so let's do that. Add the container. Let's add the margin from the top, which is 50%. Okay, again add the container. Now search for the accordion, which comes with the by default elementor. Okay, and here remove the other tabs. We will style this first tab. Okay, so first of all, let's copy this text or question, and go to search for text and put your answer over here. Okay, that's it. Now go to style. First let's increase the header text size. Okay, it's very small, as you can see here, so I will make it 17. Okay, and also we have to change the background color. Okay, so I will give it like this. Border radius to 5, and I would like to change the icon from here. Okay, so I will select the not arrow, type down, so we will have this kind of arrow. Okay, and go to style. Under this See, this is the hover effect. Okay, so as you can see here, I have given an hover effect on the text. So let's add it. Go to header, go to hover and add the effect which is primary color. Okay, and the active color will be the same. Here under the size, or I am sorry, under the icon option, just increase the size like this. Okay, so our FAQ tab look like this. Okay, also we have to remove the border from this tab. You can see here we have a very thin border, so let's remove that. So under this header, go to accordion and there you will see this border type, so make it none. Okay, now it's completely gone. So let's reduce the size of this tab. Go to advanced and under this width, change to custom and select the percentage. Okay, and just make it like this, and select this and align justify into center. Okay, so it will look like this. Now add remaining accordions, okay, or the frequently asked questions. So here you will see there is no gap in between these tabs. So go to style and here you will see spacing between items. Okay, now just copy the other questions and answers. You can also change the background color for this answer. Also duplicate it. Copy all the question and answers. Also there is a one icon which shows when it expands. Okay, so we have to change it as well. So this is the expand icon and this is the collapse icon, so we will remove it. I will make it up. This is the up. Okay, so our FAQ is ready. Let me give its margin from the bottom, which is 70. Now click on publish, refresh it. Now we will just create and design our footer area, and we will wind up our video. Okay, so let's design the footer area. For that, go to dashboard and under this template, go to save templates, create new template which is footer, name it as a footer and create the template. Close this dialog and let's design it. So add the container, again add the container, give some padding like 30. Okay, so we have this normal header. So first is the site title. Let's add the color first. Now let's add title, so which is site title, or you can copy from here. This, copy it and paste here. Okay, now just copy this text, search for the text and paste here. Change its color to white. Okay, again we have these menus. Okay, so right now we haven't created this menu, so let's create this menu. Go to appearance, menus, and create the new menu, which is privacy menu. Okay, or you can say footer menu. So first is about us, privacy policy disclaimer. About us. Privacy policy. Disclaimer. Next is terms of use and copyright. These pages are very important for your website. Okay, and the finally we have copyright. Copyright is an extra term, so we can reduce it, okay, or remove it. Now save the menu. So just publish it first. Condition will be entire website. Save and close and refresh it. And also from here, copy this, paste here, and bring this to the left hand side. Go to settings. First change the menu, which is footer menu. I will just reduce the margin from bottom. Okay, so our menu is ready. You can also change the color, go to style. Here the hover color will be primary, so it will look like this. Okay, so change active color to this. Now let's check our website. So our one page tool website is ready to deploy. Okay, so I hope you understand this tutorial. Okay, this was the very quick tool and was the similar like the previous one. Okay, so I will provide all the links download this complete website and to download this particular script. Okay, so you can embed this script in any of your project, like if you're creating from the scratch, using the backend, front end, etc. So this will be very useful. Okay, so that was for today's video tutorial. So I will be back with another interesting tutorial, and this time the tutorial will be based on the advanced gaming website. Okay, so its designing and development has been started, so very soon it will be uploaded on the YouTube. Okay, so get ready for the next video, and I will be back with another interesting tutorial. So for now, take care, goodbye.